Welcome to JH. Open the Google Play Store on your device and tap the profile icon in the upper right corner. Choose Payments and Subscriptions, and then select Budget and History to view a complete list of your transactions. Please be aware that Google does not allow you to delete this purchase history, as it differs from your browsing data. This record is necessary to verify your ownership of apps, games, and other content. Currently, there is no way to remove specific items from this list without closing your entire Google account. Although you cannot wipe the transaction history, you can still organize your app library. Tap your profile icon and go to Manage Apps and Device. Then select the Manage tab. This screen typically shows apps currently on your phone. Tap the Installed filter and change it to Not Installed to see a record of every app you previously downloaded that is no longer on your device. To remove these from your view, check the boxes for the apps you want to delete, tap the trash icon at the top right, and confirm. Note that there is no Select All option, so you must pick and remove each app individually.